I am K. Anita Sri, Assistant Professor, Shakti College of Arts and Science for Women, Otanchitram. First, we discussing about metallurgy of copper. So, metallurgy means extraction of metal from its ore. So, generally, the metals are pre-state or mineral state or ores. So, general method for extraction: crushing and grinding, concentration, le- levication, fourth flotation, magnetic separation, and leaching. The extraction of metal from the ore. First, the conversion of ore in metal oxide. This processed by roasting and calcination method. Next, conversion of oxide in metal. It contains smelting, reduction by hydrogen or aluminum, electrolytic reduction, auto reduction. Purification of metals. The liquefaction, distillation, cooling, cupellation, electro refining, zone refining. Occurrence of copper. The copper having a 5 states of ores. First one, copper pyrite or chalcopyrite. Molecular formula CuFeC2. Also site or copper glands Cu2S. Malachite green, copper carbonate, CuOH twice. Azurite blue, copper carbonate plus copper hydroxide. Bornite, Cu2S Fe2S3. Pica core, malaconite, copper oxide, etc. Steps involved in extraction: concentration, roasting, smelting, and pismeration, refining. The copper, mainly derived from its ore, is copper pyrites. The finely crushed ore is concentrated by fourth flotation process. The finely crushed ore is suspended in water containing a little amount of pine oil. A blast of air is passed through the suspension. The particles get wetted by the oil and float as a fourth, which is skimmed. The gangue sinks to the bottom. The concentration of ores, the fourth flotation process, is shown in the figure. Roasting. The copper pyrites oxidized to give a copper sulfide and ferrous sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to give the sulfur dioxide. Arsenic react with the oxygen to give the arsenic oxide. Antimony react with oxygen to give antimony oxide. In this case, arsenic and antimony removed. The cuprous sulfide and ferrous sulfate are further oxidized into their oxide. Cuprous sulfate oxidized into cuprous oxide. Ferrous sulfate oxidized into ferrous oxide. The smelting process shown in the figure. They containing hot air blast, melting zone, core reduction zone, preheating zone, ore silica coke, and exhaust gas, column ore silica coke, removal of slag, molten matter, collection of waste gases. The process of smelting. The roasted ore is mixed with the coke and silica. The silica oxide is introduced in the blast furnace. The hot air is blast and the ferrous oxide is converted into ferrous silicate FeSiO3. The smelting. The roasted ore is mixed with the coke and silica and is introduced in the blast furnace. The hot air is blast and ferric oxide is converted into ferrous silicate. FeO react with the SiO2 give FeSiO3. Cuprous oxide react with the ferrous sulfate give cuprous sulfide. So FeSiO3 floats over the molten matter of copper. Pismerization. The copper metal is extracted from molten matte through a pismerization. The matte is introduced in the pesimer converted which uphold by tires. The air is blown through the molten matte. The blast of air converts the copper sulfate partly into copper oxide, which react with the remaining copper sulfate to give the molten copper. So copper sulfate react with the oxygen to give the copper oxide, and copper oxide and copper sulfate react to give the copper and sulfur dioxide. The pismiration process shown in the figure. Refining of copper. The blistered copper is refined by the electrolysis. The blocks of blistered copper is used to anode and thin sheet of pure copper act as a cathode. The cathode plates are coated with the graphite in order to remove the depositing copper. The electrolyte is a copper sulfide mixed with a little amount of sulfuric acid to increase the electrical conductivity. The optimum potential level is 1.3 volt. During the electrolysis, pure copper is deposited on the cathode. The impurities which are soluble and fall into the bottom of cell at anode mud or sludge. Refining copper. The copper oxidized in copper 2 plus state. The copper 2 plus gain 2 electron to form a copper at cathode. This electrically refined copper is 100% pure in nature. Brief review of topics: occurrence of metal, general method of extraction, concentration, roasting, smelting and pismiration, refining. Thank you.